Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the SOG Flash AT. This assist model comes with a nice 3.45 Cryo D2 steel blade, meaning it's cryogenically heat-treated D2. So it's super durable. It's got really nice edge retention on it. Also features about 8.29 inches length overall. Uses some nice GRN handles. This one being the cyan color. Nice and bright, so if you were to drop it at nighttime, you'd be able to spot it a little bit easier. Weighs at a good 4.49 ounces. So it's really nice for pocket carry. Nice snappy action on there. I've been seeing a lot more with this XR lock. It's been doing really well. I'm actually quite a fan. And this AT model also has a safety right here. Just push down on it. It's locked into place. Super sweet. Cool deep carry pocket clip as well. Just an all around nice knife, especially for the price. So make sure to get your new SOG today at Blade Ops.